Hey everyone, it's Laura. It's been a while since I've given a tour of my studio, so I rearranged some things earlier this year, so I thought I'd give you a look. So here's what my gallery wall looks like right now. It has most of it's my Emerging Hope series. Then I have some waterfalls and more of my sketchy tree stuff. These are my two newest drawings, the one that I finished last night. And then these ones here, these are the 3D collage things that I made. I have a bunch of those. And then, so this is the old entertainment center. Works perfectly for different size canvases and stuff. So that's what I have holding all that. Then I have my little sewing storage area, place where my cats like to hang out. Scratching thing that they don't like to scratch on. Storage, so I have a whole shelf with paintings that are done and then some supplies and stuff. Here's a painting that I started. I actually started it 2 years ago, so now that I have room in my studio, I'll probably work on that again. Then over here, I just brought up my record player, so I have it in the studio. Another drawing of mine in the background. So I have that I can play in my studio now. More random craft supplies and my mailing supplies are there. I have a bulletin board. It has color chart. I was working on how to do different skin tones, so that's what that is. Calendar. More supplies. My desk area. And then I have my mat table, and then I have more supplies over here. So I have painting storage, drawing storage. I have some smaller frames in here. Then like packing supplies, and my framing supplies are in there. Paper stuff in there. And then I have my little library of art books and some of my vendor stuff and just some random stuff up there. So that's my studio right now.